The court will expel Diddy if the judge threatens to do so. For nodding and staring at jurors during his criminal trial, Sean Diddy Combs has been warned by the presiding judge that he may be barred from the courtroom. The conduct was absolutely unacceptable, according to Judge Arun Subramanian. Mr. Combs' lawyers gave the judge their word that it would not happen again. Hello viewers, welcome Celebrity Disclosure. If you are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates about your favorite celebrities. During the cross-examination of Bryana Bongolan, a friend of Mr. Combs' former partner Cassie Ventura, who claimed the rapper held her over a balcony, Judge Subramanian said Mr. Combs was vigorously nodding. Mr. Combs has entered a not guilty plea to all accusations, including sex trafficking and a racketeering conspiracy. Additionally, the court heard from a woman who went by the alias Jane and who dated Mr. Combs from 2021 until his 2024 arrest. According to Jane, the first few months of her relationship with Mr. Combs were a thrilling whirlwind. She claimed that he brought her on trips to Miami, Turks and Caicos, and the Bahamas. She claimed to be head over heels in love with the rapper, who brought her to nice eateries. However, she stated that Mr. Combs quickly requested her to take part in what prosecutors called hotel nights, during which Mr. Combs hired an escort to see Jane engage in sexual activity with another guy. Miami was the location of their initial encounter in May 2021, and she thought it would be a one-time thing. In court, Jane stated, "That night unleashed a Pandora's box in our relationship. It was a door I was never able to close for the duration of the relationship. Afterward, there was an excessive amount of it." Jane said that she went along with further encounters because "I just really loved him at that point and wanted to make him happy." But she also stated many times that she had told Mr. Combs she did not want to engage in these hotel nights. However, Ms. Combs told the court that she felt frustrated. "I felt just obligated to comply with Mr. Combs's request for her to take part in a number more of them." According to her testimony, Mr. Combs started paying $10,000 a month for a house for her around April 2023. The rapper had suggested that he did not want to pay rent for a woman he was not seeing, and Jane stated that the arrangement came with a feeling of duty. She said that from the beginning of their relationship, Mr. Combs gave her ecstasy, cocaine, ketamine, and other drugs. In court, she stated that she had used the drugs during some of her encounters with Mr. Combs, including the hotel nights. Mr. Combs' defense team will question her following the conclusion of her testimony on Friday. Additionally, Ms. Bongolan, a buddy of Cassie Ventura's, who, according to the rapper's defense counsel, has provided contradictory accounts of Mr. Combs' alleged abuse at various occasions, was subjected to more aggressive questioning by the court. In a violent argument, Mr. Combs is said to have picked Ms. Bongolan up and thrown her onto the rail of a balcony, causing her to land on adjacent furniture and suffer wounds and contusions. Defense attorney Nicole Westmoreland questioned Ms. Bongolan about an accusation she made in both a letter from a lawyer, which, according to Ms. Westmoreland, included a request for money and a complaint against Mr. Combs. The accusation was that the rapper had allegedly sexually assaulted her during the balcony incident. In court, Ms. Bongolan testified that Mr. Combs allegedly lifted her onto the balcony while rubbing his hands over her chest. Ms. Westmoreland grilled her about the distinction between a sexual assault claim and her courtroom account of the rapper's alleged actions. The defense also presented proof that Mr. Combs was in New Jersey for a gig and in New York for events on September 25th and 26th, 2016, thereby accusing Ms. Bongolan of making up specifics of the claimed balcony episode with Mr. Combs. Previously, prosecutors presented a picture of a bruise on Ms. Bongolan's leg, the metadata of which included a timestamp of September 26, 2016. According to Ms. Bongolan, the day after Mr. Combs allegedly threw her onto balcony furniture, she took the photo of the bruise. Ms. Westmoreland stated, "You came into this room and lied to the ladies and gentlemen of this jury." Ms. Bongolan retorted, "I can't concur with you." Prosecutors brought up the disagreement again later in the day. They presented a text message from Ms. Ventura, Mr. Combs' ex-girlfriend, taken from her phone on September 30th, 2016. According to the article, Mr. Combs visited her flat in the dead of night, strangled Ms. Bongolan, and pushed her off the balcony. Thanks for watching. Comment your thoughts about the video. I hope to see you in our next video.